Tanuja is doing maths right now.
Yeah,
So
and I'm a CA student, so it's gonna be a great embarrassment road for me.
So many clothes, Tanuja. What are you doing?
I'm like, I'm not good at this challenge. कोई आए ना आए, मैं ये रह जाऊँगी, but ये बैग जरूर जाएगा.
Hi guys, I am Winnie. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have Tanuja with me.
Hello.
Drum roll.
After so long.
Yeah, so I've been asking her to do this video since months now. I feel एक डेढ़ महीना तो हो गया है ना कम से कम. So I asked her. So basically, how the plan came in my mind was I did the Zara video, right?
Yeah, I mean,
and everyone loved it. You guys loved it. So I thought I want to do another video from Zara. So I was like, क्या कर सकते? And then it randomly came to my mind that let's do a challenge video in Zara. So in this challenge, as you must have read by the title, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna give her 5,000 rupees and she can buy anything from Zara for me, whatever she wants basically, and I'm gonna do the same for her but on her channel. So that video is in description, so go check her video out as well.
Personally, I'm like super duper excited to shop for her. I know what Moini wears, she knows what I wear, so I think that it's going to be super duper fun to just pick out items, especially Zara में वहाँ पे सब महंगा होता है, so budget के अंदर fit करना is also going to be it's actually going to be a challenge for both of us.
So personally, we aren't really expecting to buy footwear, bags, accessories. We aren't really expecting,
because clothing is our main thing for this video.
Yeah. So now I'll see you guys in Elante. So let's get started. Hi guys. तो अभी हम पहुंच गए हैं Zara Elante and अभी तनुजा मेरे लिए शॉपिंग करने वाली है, बट आई होप कि जो मिलेगी अच्छा ही होगा.
I know Moini's style, and the good part and the bad part about it is that we don't have definition to her style. She wears everything and she can slay everything in a very good way.
Yeah, that's the same case with her as well. सब कुछ पहन लेते हैं, मुझे लगता है हम दोनों. It's very difficult for us.
Quite a challenge also, but then I'm also wishing कि हम कुछ बहुत अच्छा हमें मिल जाएगा. Another collection भी बहुत अच्छी है. We just had
a little view. Yeah, so let's go inside and figure out what can we wear.
And let's go super duper quickly.
Yeah. We'll go from there.
So we're shopping for Mohini today, and what I have in my mind is that of course वो सब कुछ पहनते हैं, उनको सब कुछ अच्छा लगता है, but since we're doing a summer sort of a challenge, I want कि outfit जो है पूरा scream कर रहा हो कि summer, and of course Mohini के outfits में there's a balance. मतलब if it's baggy ऊपर fitted होगा, ऊपर baggy है तो नीचे भी fitted होगा. So I'm sort of trying to break that balance कि या तो पूरा skinny fit हो या पूरा baggy fit हो.
That's something really experimental for me.
है ना, तो मतलब that is what I'm going for. बाकी देखते हैं क्या पसंद आएगा, कैसे पसंद आएगा. मुझे पसंद आ गए थे. रीजन भी कलर बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारा है, बट ये अच्छा लगेगा. हम इसके साथ कुछ ढूंढ सकते हैं. लेकिन also go.
Oh, that look good. Oh, I'm not gonna say anything.
मतलब देखते हैं.
But yeah, I think this look good.
It's under the budget also. This will look nice.
Yeah.
This is also multi-purpose. I know Mohini का favorite blue है, और Mohini loves anything in blue. But that's why I'm gonna try not buy blue for us. अरे जो हमने choose करा.
Oh.
Same थोड़ा वैसे मिल गया.
Yeah, but I think अगर हम ये ले लेंगे तो हम out of budget हो जाएंगे. कंगाल हो जाएंगे.
Example, I really like this dress for her. Like really like this dress. मुझे पता ही.
This is so me, I feel.
बहुत सुंदर लगेगा and she love it, but the price is 4,500. And yes, you have to only buy this one.
If it's 100 or 200 ऊपर ना, I'll consider that okay. But not 500 ऊपर.
Done. I like this t-shirt. It's very different. We have this t-shirt. इसमें बहुत सुंदर 2 ladies बनी है. Probably me and Mohini.
Yeah.
This was Mohini, this was me.
I think it's the other way.
But I don't see myself wearing red.
But I think it's the other way. You are the pantsuit one and I am the skirt one. Yeah. Button blue.
Button blue. Wow.
The blue dress wants to go along.
And it's very cute again. So this is in the size medium and it's for 1790. I'm gonna look for some bottoms now because मैंने बहुत सारे tops रखे कर लिए हैं and probably one or two dress.
Tanuja is doing maths right now.
Yeah,
So
and I'm a CA student, so it's gonna be a great embarrassment road for me. But anyways, so this I really like these pants. Something which is like very मतलब use भी बहुत ज़्यादा होंगी and color भी बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारा है. So it is also something that she like. And इसके साथ I'm thinking to go for this one. ठीक है?
okay.
And these both fit in the budget. This is for 2790, this is for 1990, which is approximately 4800. Like it fits my budget. But इसके साथ ये भी बहुत अच्छा लग सकता है, so I can decide. What अभी मैंने क्या सोचा है कि अभी मेरे पास सिर्फ bottoms and tops वाला collection है. So now I'm looking for some nice dresses, and I saw one dress which I badly like want to, you know, get for her, which is this one.
This screams Mohini.
This is so pretty, and I know it's her style, but then still I want to get it for. This is for 2000.
Okay.
3000. Sorry.
I was shocked if it was for
This
2000.
is for 3000.
So many clothes, Tanuja. What are you
I'm
doing?
like, I'm not good at this challenge, but chalo. Let's just see some flats as well. Very expensive, 2200 range for, and this is for 990.
Oh my god.
I think I should get this one क्योंकि ये बहुत सारा, ये इसका look ही बहुत प्यारा है.
Yeah.
Getting something similar to it, and इसके साथ भी चलेगा because this one has like close up में this has like red and ये वाली vibes. And contrast में भी I think this will look very nice. Plus it's very cheap. I don't want to miss this. So इस वाली pants के साथ ये like peachish में denim में pants हैं which are like flare and ये 2800 की है. And इसके साथ top में I have this one which is for 1800, तो फिर ये मेरा budget पूरा हो जाएगा. And we also have this t-shirt which is again for 1800. तो अगर ये budget दोनों का पूरा हो गया, I really want कि ये और ये बन जाए. Like this is going to be the dream outfit. This is the first option and I really like it, but I think कि मुझे I like it that much क्योंकि this is something that I would like buy for myself. For this challenge I'm leaving both of these. So final shorts, these pants and this t-shirt, which I'm looking to get something else. This bag is 100% coming in. कोई आए ना आए, मैं ये रह जाऊँगी, but ये bag जरूर जाएगा. So ये and the dress. So let's go. We'll only look for one t-shirt or top now, and then our outfit would be final.
And then Tanuja is carrying that bag already.
दे रही हूँ. इसके ऊपर I have to look for a cute crop top.
Dropping hints.
Oh my god. Did I just find something that she pointed out? मतलब ऐसे ही. And then I found it. This one is for
I think it's for
800.
okay.
And it really fits my budget. It really matches this. It really matches the bag. So
That's why I gave you the hint for this one. And you know this monochrome thing I've never really worn. Like
and the
मैं
shades
नहीं
are
पहनती.
different. Like,
Yeah.
This is different. This is the darker one, and the pants are like also like बहुत ज़्यादा अलग.
The final outfit.
We are pretty much under the budget, both of
Yeah.
us.
Both of us did a great job. Done with the challenge. अभी घर चल के let's see
कि कैसा
कि हमने
क्या
क्या
रहा.
लिया है.
And हमने काफ़ी सामान ले लिया है. मतलब we have 3 bags.
Yeah.
So घर जाके देखते हैं कि कैसा क्या लगा.
So guys, I've already seen what she's got, but मैंने अभी तो कोई thoughts नहीं दिए हैं, तो
Yeah, I haven't got her like actual review कि कैसा लगा नहीं लगा, and she hasn't even tried them out yet.
So I'm gonna give my reviews and then I try it on and then we'll give the final review. So the first thing is this bag, and kid you not guys, when I saw this bag I was in love, and I was personally screaming from inside, Tanuja,
Bye.
please get
Bye.
this. Tanuja, please get this for me. Next up, we have this very nice earthy se color ka top, and
It's a basic.
yeah, it's a Zara basic, and I think I will like it. ये मेरे को fit भी, अगर fit से क्या जाता है, I like it.
Yeah.
And the last thing is this jeans.
Which
So
is-
this is something which I would have never bought. These are like wide leg pants, which are totally my style, but this color is not so much me.
How much would you rate my shopping skills from out of 10?
Yeah, so the
आज के।
shopping skills are 9 on 10. I don't know why I didn't give 10 on 10. वैसे मुझे ऐसे कोई negative point नहीं लग रहा है, पर मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है
That's
maybe.
a vibe. वो feeling आती है.
Yeah. So now let's go and try out this outfit.
Ding. So we are waiting for Mohini and she should be here at any time and I'm super duper excited to see कि वो कैसी लगेगी.
I'm
गई.
Okay,
Oh my
guys.
God, you
so,
look
Yeah. So give me your thoughts.
10 on 10. I really love this outfit. I haven't seen her in this style.
I don't wear monochromes. I feel.
This is out of like straight out of my Pinterest board.
Yeah,
Like, this
yeah.
outfit is very.
In fact, even if you check her Instagram out, it's all earthy
The
tones.
tones.
And yeah, it's so her. So
बहुत
her
अच्छा
style.
लग रहा है. I like the jeans. The fit is pretty perfect. I
Yeah,
think.
yeah, I
यही
think
fit
बिल्कुल
आया था.
सही fit आया है और
And
हमने
the-
वहाँ पे कभी try नहीं किया
हाँ,
थे, but
so that's
still.
why. Bag
Yeah.
is like really adding that cherry on the cake वाला look and the
Bag
top is
तो I'm
also.
in love with, okay?
Top is also looking.
Yeah, and
मेरे को अच्छा लग रहा है.
I've made it a little crop. मैंने इसको थोड़ा tuck कर लिया है and it's looking really nice. So this is how my outfit is looking, you guys. This is how it looks from the back.
Take the whole screen. It looks very pretty on you.
Yeah, है ना?
बहुत
I'm really liking the outfit. I actually like would never have bought this outfit. This
Buy
is something which I've never come in the frame. No, this is something which I would have never bought. But I'm really liking the outfit. It's looking bomb. It's looking very chic.
And I think it's very comfortable too.
Yeah, this is super comfortable. I can, run in these pants, walk. And earlier, the thought of us buying from Zara was कि अगर हम एक दूसरे कपड़े नहीं पसंद आए, so we can get them exchanged. But now I think I am gonna keep this all. I don't think I will hardly exchange anything.
I am so happy.
Yeah.
तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मतलब.
Right.
And honestly I surpassed my own expectations. मुझे खुद से इतनी उम्मीद नहीं थी कि मैं ले पाऊंगी. And one more thing, Mohini shopped before.
Yeah.
Like I shopped after and इन्होंने पहले shopping की थी. And I must say जो टेक्निक थी शॉपिंग की like picking out few outfits and then deciding and also that I copied straight away from her.
Let's talk.
I was clueless. I was clueless how to like buy things and then I was
Yeah.
like, ठीक है मैंने उसी strategy से लिया and I
You
think
will watch all of my shopping skills in her videos, so definitely check
now
that
you
out.
should definitely check it out.
Yeah, so this is my outfit and I'll give you a 10 on 10. Yay! I am really liking this outfit. You guys let me know कि comments में कि आपको ये कपड़े मेरे पे कैसे लग
Rated
रहा
out
है?
of 10, okay? 10
Yeah.
में से marks दो सबके सब. And I think we are done for today.
Yes, so that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And do not
Please
forget
subscribe
to
to her
check.
channel.
Yes, please. And do subscribe to her channel as well.
Okay.
And now I'll see you guys in another one. But before that, let's roll some pictures.
Ta-da!